All right, so let's talk about the power of outbound and actually driving website visits. So people to your website. It's not something people talk about very much, but a lot of the times, in my experience working with SaaS companies at lead generation agencies and whatnot in the past, when I was still, learning the business, one thing we found out is that, we were always measuring booked meetings and interested replies, which obviously makes sense when we're doing cold outbound, right? But one thing that we often weren't measuring was the hits to to our clients' websites. Basically, a lot of the times, and you may not have known this, outbound can actually be a large driver of website visits, putting essentially more eyeballs on whatever it is that you're selling. And so that's pretty powerful thing, right? Because first of all, it's scalable and it's cheap. So if you want to drive more traffic, you can use it. And so to highlight this, let me show you a Zoom info of a client that I've been working with here for the last couple of months only. Now, for background and context, this client had laid off their sales team back in June, July, as I'm told, by the marketing director. And so then it was just the marketing director left to basically drive business results for this person and the head of revenue, whom I'm working with directly right now. And so they brought me on just as a solo BDR operator. So after the first week of August, I started to onboard with them. We launch outbound campaigns middle of August, and we've been launching them ever since. I think we've launched 6 campaigns as of yet, to different ICPs. And as you can see here on the graph, in July, we have a general downtrend where the line here just goes down. And in terms of page visits to their website, it's just going down, and it's going to continue to go down if nothing is done. We start working together somewhere right around here, and we start launching campaigns after an onboarding phase. One, two, three, four, five. I think we're about 6 now, and we're up to 7,000 page visits, which is almost which is right around where we were before. And as you can see, it's a more sustained even than when they had their full sales team working in here as well. So it's more sustained. And it's predicted to continue to go up. Obviously, the data isn't in yet, so that's why it looks like it's going down, but it's actually going to tick right back up here. So basically, what I wanted to show you is just the power, and this is not even the main goal of outbound, right? But it's the power of outbound to actually drive traffic to your website, which is a nice kind of secondary byproduct of it, right? In addition to sales meetings, book meetings, you can also drive, get eyeballs on your offer as well. So, yeah, just thought this would be insightful. Wanted to share it, and thanks so much. Been Travis. Until next time. Bye bye.